Today we're going to explore Sunnyside, which is this amazing neighborhood in Portland with Belmont and Hawthorne straddling the gooey residential center. Let's go check it out. Here we are out in front of Toji, which has amazing Korean barbecue. Across the street we've got Greek cuisine. Need I say more? And behind me, Zach's Shack with the best Chicago dogs this side of the Mississippi. Some of my absolute favorite tacos, porcano, and of course delicious ramen right next door in case you can't decide. This could be my favorite corner on Hawthorne, at least. We've got Bar of the Gods, a Pizza Shoals, best pizza in Portland, and Quarter World. If you're trying to get a hold of ET and have a drink, check out the Space Room. Only on Hawthorne. Portland doesn't have chains like other cities have chains, but we've got 2 porcanos and 2 Albina presses. This Albina press happens to be on Hawthorne. Here we are on the corner of 33rd and Belmont, and you've got every gastronomic delight from morning until night. Stumptown Coffee for your coffee and pastry. We've got the Sweet Hereafter for a vegan lunch, and finish a nightcap and some music at the Belmont Inn. Another delicious restaurant, Hoda's for Lebanese food, and for all kinds of fun gifts, we've got the Skeleton Key, all things occult, and Belmont Books for a great read. The thing that's so rad about Belmont is it's definitely keeping Portland weird. Sunnyside's the perfect mix of a beautiful residential street with all kinds of bungalows and craftsmen, and even a few mid-centuries, straddled by both commercial centers of Hawthorne and Belmont. What else could you possibly want for? If you want to make Sunnyside your home, call me. I would love to help.